easy go.
Either good morning, good afternoon, or good night to you guys. So today we are actually teaching you guys how to make a free Fortnite thumbnail. So basically you want to open Pixlr and this is just make a title, your name, anything, Fortnite thumbnail, I'm making it. Then you just want to select full HD, this one, so that it'll automatically come, so you don't need to change that. Background you don't want to keep it on, just keep it off. So you create. Then what you want to do is you want to go to my pack. I have a pack here, Slayer Centers. A link in the description below, and you want to actually download the one you want. So for example, I actually want, let's say, I actually feel like taking something like this, the focus over here. I think it's really cool. So you can choose your skin, guys. You can use other packs also, search up in Google, some other packs, Fortnite Trenders, you'll get those. Or you can just make it in Blender, but that's a different tutorial. It's really different. You guys should go watch a video. It's really difficult to do that. And that's what I actually use. So yeah, you want to like exactly adjust this. If you want, like you don't want, you can just transform it, then unlock this. And then I don't want it like this. This looks a bit weird. So I'm just gonna select this. This looks perfect. And then you wanna go with design, yeah, this. And you wanna go to my pack again. And then you wanna go to backgrounds. So background, you just wanna download this file real quick. You wanna go once it finishes downloading, you have to browse it. Then let's, for example, let's say this is the pack, so you wanna extract it here or extract anywhere, extract files. So then after extracts, it will come like this. You select background and you can choose a background. Since mine is blue, I would actually want to take this reboot one. Something like this, or this looks a bit weird, so I'm actually gonna choose something blue, something like really nice which will match with the thing. Maybe this, yeah. I mean, I think this will like more with the purple skin, but that's fine. So then you want to select focus and you want to press select on this one here at the top and then select focus and adjust. So what I like to do here is actually increase the vibrance, saturation to there, temperature. You guys have to adjust it by yourself because you guys will have a different skin. If you're using the same, you can copy my settings. And I don't want to mess with this. I want shadows and highlights a bit high. Toning, nothing. You guys leave toning and fill. I wouldn't change those. So then what you want to do is actually, guys, you don't need to go to default.com. So in mine, you can actually go to Slayer Centers, how to make awesome. This one's the thing, and download this. And you can download this. You need to download these two. I would prefer it. I would advise you guys to download Bomber Escort. So I'll actually add one more file over here later. So that one is actually another font you guys can use. So you want to add, so then you want to go to add text, add new text, and you'll get this text over here. So you don't want to change the size and nothing now. You just want to do, for example, I'm going to make thumbnails. This is my title. Get your spellings right. Thumbnails, perfect. Then you want to actually go, I've already added the local font. So you press add local font. Then what you want to do is you want to go to what you downloaded, the Bomber Escort. So you trace that down, it'll be here. So what you want to do is you guys can see this. You want to open it WinRAR, and then you want to copy all of these. Maybe not the text, but I'm just going to do it because it doesn't make such a big difference. You want to Control V here. Just paste it over here. Yeah, you guys can see it would not get pasted. Then you trace down where that is. So for example, my Bomber Escort. So what you want to do is you trace down where it is. And then there's also one more Burbank Big Condensed. So that's what I like to be using. I like that more than Bomber Escorting. And then sometimes it happens. Then you make the size bigger. You can either use this one size or you can just do it manually. And then you want to actually, I want to enter it right here, make thumbnails like this, and then I want to actually move the skins from the side and do it like yes, and this is what I exactly want. Then you can adjust your color. I'm gonna make it a bit purple, or maybe something light blue like this. So, or if you want, you can even use the eyedropper here. You guys can see that. and then you guys can select which color. So I'm actually gonna be taking this color. Yeah, this looks good. And then if you guys want, this is not compulsory, but I think it look good. You guys can do outline and maybe select this, like this is what I'm gonna be using. So Burbank, big condensed, and then you wanna do this. Simple, easy as that. Then what you wanna do is actually, so let's say you got the title, everything complete. You wanna select the background, add element and overlay. You guys only need to actually do that. You wanna select it, and this is again one thing I really like to do. I think that gives a really good effect. So you wanna trace down weather. So guys, weather will be somewhere here. Then you guys can select any free one. If you have a premium thing, you can use that. Then you can just select this, like I like to do this, and then there's rain, everything. You can choose what you want. So after you're done doing that, so that is something to add special effects. Here you can select this, and if you want, guys, you can just like blur something out or something. You can use the guys, one thing is there. Sometimes let's say you want to do a cutout, and if you're really easy one, you can just, for example, select this and then cut on the magic cut and then crop out this part here, there, and whatever you want to do. That's one more thing that will just take it away. It's a really easy one. So now what I want to do is actually, let's say I want to make it the best. So in my pack again, you can see you guys can just download this, and here's where the convention this the font comes. So you want to add image, browse. So I've downloaded it here. I'm just going to trace that, and here we go. So let it load, you take it down, you want to minimize, make it smaller, make it about this small is how I like it. Yeah, like this small. So I'm gonna actually put it somewhere here near the focus on the right side, and I'm gonna add text, add new text. And here's what you want to do if you want to do convention form. So mine's on desktop, so you have to again extract all, and then you select convention, and then I already have it here. So then you want to make, I can actually make this best thumbnails. For example, I'm gonna make this free. Then you wanna take it up all the way here, make it bigger, about here big, and then free. So this is how I like to do it, a free thumbnail, really easy, and the banner over there. Then if you guys want, you can actually do a border, and I always take square and then do something like maybe this or this. You guys can select what you want. You guys can see all the examples. So I don't really feel like doing that for my thumbnail. I mean, this looks pretty good, so you guys can choose a border, but I'm not gonna be choosing a border for me because I really don't like borders that much. So then what, if you want, guys, you can add more stuff. For example, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this one. Really easy. You download that, you press browse, you go to download wherever, yeah, you download it. You put this, so you wanna make it real big like this. And then what you wanna do is, you guys can see, so here's where the layer is. So like if you wanna make it front, forward, back. So I'm gonna put it all the way back here like this. And yeah, that's all, guys. A really quick and easy thumbnail to make. I would recommend you guys making these. It's very simple, very easy. You guys can check out the link in the description below. The fonts, everything is here for you guys. I even made another one like this. And then what you guys, if you want to download it and like actually get it properly, you want to press save. Quality, I'm gonna make it full. You can even change it here. You can make it a PNG, webs, and PXZ is actually pixel the thing. So let's say you want to open it again, or you can download it like this, and then you can just go to open image and do it. It'll get downloaded, and if you want, you can just wait for ready to come. You close it, and then I like to download it again as a normal PNG or maybe a JPG. You can take the size, download real quick. And there we go. So you guys, just the final one, and yeah, it comes really clear and everything. It looks sick. I really like this thumbnail. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Of course, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get 50 subs, guys. So I got 50 subs, 100 subs before the month. I really appreciate you guys. And if this guys helped you, comment down below. It will help me. And yeah, see you guys next time. And if you guys want to join my Discord server, below over there we make custom thumbnails, everything. So link is in the description below of all these files in my Google Drive. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time.